Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I personally still think this is going to be an ABC of wave B. I think it needs to go down and take out this low before we do possibly get a bigger move to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I definitely am looking at this over here as 5 waves down, most likely a wave A. I still think this is an A, B, C correction right here, most likely a wave B. And I think there's a pretty good chance we've already started this downtrend for the wave C of wave B. But keep in mind, this is the weekly monthly time frame. It's going to take months and months for this to play out, with lots and lots of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, definitely a nice break and hold below structure on the dollar CAD. I think this is a wave C, and if that is a break and hold below structure like it looks like it is, then that most likely proves to me that the wave C is over. That means that there's a very good chance this is going to now may be making lower lows, lower highs to form that pattern that I was showing you on the weekly time frame, which is great news for us because then we can confidently start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So going down to the weekly time frame, now that we have a break of structure below, or the 4 hour time frame, I'm sorry, down to the 4 hour time frame. Now that we have a break and hold below structure, I am definitely looking for shorts. I would like to see some nice pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, now that we had that break, I would have been trying to get short right here. I would have gone short right there. And the next time it makes a pullback, which doesn't have to happen now, it could possibly just keep on drifting down. But the next time we see a pullback, when and if it does happen, I will definitely be ready to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. I think this is forming near the beginning of a very big downtrend on the very high time frames like the daily and weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.